You haven't told anyone. You've been smiling, working, posting online like everything's fine. But something else has been watching you. Not a person, not a therapist, an algorithm. And before you even realize you're unraveling, it already knows. This is the future of mental health, where artificial intelligence doesn't just power your apps, it reads your emotions, predicts breakdowns, and maybe, just maybe, helps save your life. But what happens when a machine starts to know your mind better than you do? In 2023, researchers at MIT developed an AI model that could detect depression from just a few sentences of speech. No blood test, no brain scan, just the rhythm of your voice, the words you chose, and how long you paused before speaking. Similar models trained on Reddit posts have predicted suicidal ideation months before it happened, based solely on changes in sentence structure. This isn't mind reading, it's pattern recognition at a scale no human could ever achieve. And it's not just your voice. AI now watches your facial expressions, your typing speed, the pressure of your finger on a touchscreen, and pulls meaning from noise. At 2 a.m., when your chest is tight and your thoughts won't stop racing, you don't need a waiting room. You just open an app. Tools like Woebot, Replika, and Wysa offer AI-driven therapy grounded in real psychological frameworks like CBT. Some users say it's changed their lives. Others say it feels cold, empty, like screaming into a mirror. The truth? These tools work best not because they understand you, but because they're always there. No judgment, no fatigue, just algorithmic consistency. Meanwhile, AI is stepping inside the brain itself. Using EEG and fMRI data, deep learning networks are spotting signs of PTSD, addiction, and obsessive disorders, long before they show up behaviorally. Some systems now use real-time neural feedback loops to train the brain, guiding people out of unhealthy patterns without a single word being spoken. Think of it like emotional GPS. You feel lost. The machine sees the map. It nudges your mind back on course, and it never sleeps. But with this power comes risk. In 2022, a major predictive mental health model was pulled after it flagged Black and Latino users as high risk, at twice the rate of others. Insurance companies are already testing AI to assess psychological risk. What happens if the algorithm says you're unstable? Who gets to see that data? Your employer? Your insurer? And what if the machine is wrong? In the next decade, human therapists may have digital co-pilots, AI tools that monitor emotion in real time, track mood shifts over weeks, and recommend interventions before crisis hits. Not to replace empathy, but to amplify it. A therapist with memory that never fades. A counselor that sees inside the mind's code. But even as this future races toward us, one question lingers like a whisper. Can something that doesn't feel pain ever truly understand it? We're building machines that read our minds, not to control us, but to understand our pain. The danger? Not that they'll feel too much, but that we'll trust them before we're ready. Sometimes the smartest thing to listen to is silence.